Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's December 31st, 2024, so it's New Year's Eve. Happy New Year's to everybody. I hope that your next next year is going to be fantastic, better than even the last few years. A company recently sent me a couple of products to review, one of which, and I'll put a link in the description below, is the magnetic helping hands, which I think was initially designed for those people working with small circuit boards, doing soldering and working down close and all, but it could be adapted to any operation like I showed in that video. So I'll be using it out here in my workshop because those arms will be able to hold different parts and all for me, even when I'm working inside of vehicles and all. I'll do it, whether it's an excavator, the green machine, whatever. But the other product that they sent me, and I'm embarrassed, I just can't pronounce this name, NOEVSBIG. So this is their magnifying desk lamp, which is right here. Right now, I'm just going to move my other thing out of the way. And I'm sorry, the shop is such a mess here. So it's a lots of magnification so that when you're having difficulty seeing things, and it's got a nice ring light as well. And it articulates, so it swivels, so the head can swivel 180 degrees both ways. It has wing nuts and several different joints on this that will make it easy for this to adjust to various different positions. So today I've been assembling different things. I'm working on my workstation with my sharpener, with my chainsaw sharpener. So that's what this station is going to be. It comes with a base, that the base clamp that adjusts to various different tables and all. So, and this is pretty heavy duty, and the lamp fits into this part here. I decided, since I'm going to be using this out of my workshop, to make my own heavy duty magnetic mount for it. So I'm trying to get the camera here to show what I'm doing. Two different, well, let me turn the light around here. So two different magnets that hook onto any steel base, and this bracket here, it's just an L-shaped bracket, and I made a receptacle for this. So this is pretty easy to do, but here's one of the wing nuts, so you can lock it in position if you want to. Hopefully my finger's showing up. Then we have another wing nut here, spring loaded with each one of these joints. So this can move in all different locations. If you wanted to have it down close to a workbench area here to do something really up close or read something, this would come in real handy in our used book business that we have upstairs. But because of this having so much flexibility and adjustability, I decided this would come out in my workshop. And the reason I used a magnetic base like this, which is not for everyone, but all of my toolboxes, the heavy equipment, everything that I work on basically, is steel, so I can use this on it. It looks like it's in pretty darn good design, the shape of it. I think the materials are sufficient to hold up for years of good work. It has different color sense. Different people want different, I don't know if it's going to show us. I'll put it down here. I don't know if you could see, but it's got, I'm not sure, like 3000K to 5000K, adjusting the light source, which is really good. And so even with the workshop lights being off, I could work in a small area here, and you don't need any other form of illumination. The thing that really sells me on this is its ability to go into positions so that I can see the things from the angle that I want to see things in. So this is a game changer. I think it's fantastic. There'll be a link in the description below the video. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know. I think this is great. Like I said, I've used it for a few hours here this morning working on different pieces of equipment, trying to get my workstation started here. when the weather's a little bit warmer here in central New York. So, oh, and I don't know that I showed this, I can't remember. So this is the standard clamp that hooks onto your tables right here. Let's see. So this would be the standard one. And I think this is fine and fantastic. And the lamp slides right into this part right up here. And then you can lock it in. So whatever projects you work on, or if you work in a workshop like me, this will work out fantastic. And this day and age, I do need the magnification, and that light source, that ring light right around the magnifying lens works out fantastic. All right, so I think that's it. I think I'll close this up at this point. So there'll be a link in the description for this and for the magnetic helping hands. Both of them, I think, are 5-star units. And I'm always going to be honest with you. If something breaks down in the future, I'll let you know. But I think that this is pretty good. I've used it for a couple hours this morning and looks great so far. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye now.